nothing in my hands, go up to my ear, pull out the magic light, toss it back and forth, and then put it in my other ear, and it's disappeared. Pull it out of this ear, toss it back, swallow it, gone. Pull it out of this ear, make two of them, sniff them up my nose, and they've disappeared. This is how the trick works. What you don't see is this fake thumb that I have on my thumb. Let's slide it off, and inside there's this little LED light. That's the trick. Slide it back up in there, hide it behind your fingers, press it, and it appears. I have one on my other hand too. Press it, and it appears. Now let it go, press that one. Now it looks like I'm tossing it back and forth. Now I'll pull it out of my ear and put it in my other ear. That's how you can do all kinds of amazing tricks with the magic light.